First of all, Eddie Hall is a straight up bully. Bryan and Eddie may have competed against each other in the strongman days, but it wasn't like actually going against each other just like arm wrestling. So I'm not sure how Bryan will be able to deal with the mind games that Eddie Hall will present to him. And he has already started that, be it showing up late a couple of times intentionally, be it not letting Bryan Shaw get the chair to sit on that he wants, be it not letting Bryan Shaw wear the t-shirt that he specially prepared for this occasion, and then doing this with the Bryan Shaw pillow, absolutely embarrassing him. Eddie Hall is a true bully, and I'm not sure how Bryan will be able to deal with that. And if you ask me what's the one advantage that Eddie has over Bryan, it's the usage of body weight. It's the utilization of your own massive size when you're going down in a top roll. Bryan seems absolutely unstoppable in the center of the table. But maybe it's because of his huge size, his height, that when he tries to bend his knees to utilize his body weight to finish with the top roll, he struggles with that. I think we can see that in the practice pulls which he has posted. And that's exactly where Eddie has a massive chance to win this match, that is with a flop press. Most likely, Bryan takes Eddie's hand but lacks the finishing power, and Eddie can hold him with a flop press. That is if Eddie initiates with a different move, because right now he seems to be doing this beautiful rolling out style top roll. If he does that, he wouldn't have the option to access a flop press if he loses his wrist, because his arm will be stretched out too much and the only option left will be an ugly king's move, and that can be really dangerous for his bicep. I know the flop press is also going to be dangerous, but these are the only two options that Eddie has to win this match. And I hope that Neil has put that in Eddie's mind, that there may be a time when the flop press is the only option left. I know it's too much to ask from a beginner, but if he really wants to win, this is what it may come down to. And we have heard Devon say multiple times that Eddie does not have a flop press, and even if he does, he will get injured if he tries that. Why would Devon say that? Why would he try to scare Eddie away from a flop press? Well, maybe it's because Devon knows that it can work against Bryan Shaw. And kudos to Neil to take his time to get Eddie on the arm wrestling table with the official refs to get him accustomed to the ready go that he should be expecting tomorrow. And kudos to Bryan Shaw and Devon Larratt to completely ruin that idea by invading that demo session before it can actually give some results. If we talk about the future of Eddie Hall, when Bryan Shaw asked him if that is a one-time thing or not, Eddie did say that there is a place for arm wrestling in his life. He can see that. But right now, he has some other priorities. He will have this arm wrestling match and then he will have one MMA fight. That's it. So no more MMA too. His main focus is on acting. He's been taking some acting classes and that's the career that he wants to get into. If he becomes an actor, then goodbye to arm wrestling for sure. This is what Eddie said about arm wrestling. It's been hard. It's been one of the hardest learning journeys I have been on. And he also did say that if Bryan loses to Eddie, then he's going to quit arm wrestling for sure because he does not like to arm wrestle. So I guess one of them is going to quit arm wrestling for sure after this match, and maybe even both of them. As bad as it may sound, this can actually be true. He also said that because both of them are former world's strongest men, people are already expecting them to go up against guys like Devon Larratt or Levan Saginashvili, and that's just not possible because a couple of months ago for Eddie Hall, arm wrestling was just going sideways towards the pin pad. He never really knew that it is about pulling back. So how can we expect him to be that strong that early? Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe.